So in this video I'm going to go through a couple of integration example questions when we have negative powers. So in this first question we have x to the power of minus 4 that we're integrating. So in this case our n is minus 4. So we just treat this normally. So that's x to the power of minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1. And then we have our constant of integration c as well. So if we simplify this a bit, that goes to x to the power of minus 3 divided by minus 3. And then plus c as well. So this looks a bit messy, so I'm going to separate it up into two parts. So we have our fraction, which is minus a third, multiplied by x to the power of minus 3, and then our constant of integration. And then there's a rule here which you'll want to remember, and that's when x is to the power of negative a, that can be rewritten as 1 over x to the power of positive a. So in this question we have x to the power of negative 3, so we can rewrite that as 1 over x to the power of 3. So we'll sub that in, so we still have our negative a third, and that's multiplied by 1 over x cubed plus c. So that can be rewritten as minus 1 over 3x cubed plus c, and that's our final answer. Then for this next question we have to integrate x to the power of minus 1. And if you remember from our power rule, it said it only applied when n is not equal to negative 1. And our n in this case is equal to negative 1. So this is another rule that you've got to remember. And that's when you integrate x to the power of minus 1, that goes to ln of x plus c. And that's just something you have to remember. Then our next question is to integrate 1 over 2x. So first of all I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over x. And we're integrating with respect to x. Then we have this constant number here, so we can just take it outside of the integral, and that will make it easier because we've got less to integrate. So that's 1 over 2, and then the integral of 1 over x dx. Now, if you look carefully here, we know that 1 over x is actually equal to x to the power of minus 1 because of this rule here. So if we have x to the power of minus 1, 1 is our a, so we can rewrite that as 1 over x to the power of 1, which is just 1 over x. So that's important to spot that there. So then we can integrate, and that's, we still have our half here, and then we times it by the integral of 1 over x, which is ln x plus c. So that gives us the final answer of a half ln x plus c. And that's how you do integration with negative powers.